Hey, oop, wasn't paying attention. Huh. Welcome back to Riding with Louie. Now, I'm wearing the same shirt this week because the same day as the last video for the Sun Show. I'm heading on up here to a car show in Scottdale, Pennsylvania. A couple people that were riding with us decided to take off. We didn't want to hit the rain, and now the skies are brighter than my future. So we're gonna head on down there, check it out. Hopefully we see some nice cars, good looking girls. Just hang out. I'll see you soon. Mr. Red.
How many people up there?
It was a good bit. Oh yeah. Just a t-shirt. They had the t-shirts I've been looking for.
Yeah.
They finally had them in fat guy sizes. And I was like, yeah, I might as well get it. Quick little walk around. Not too much going on right now, but I'm not sitting here for 4 hours in the sun with my pasty ass ginger skin. So I'm gonna head on back home, hang out with the boys. It is Father's Day. Short video today, but appreciate you coming watching. A whole bunch more stuff lined up here soon. As soon as we get a chance, we'll be heading out, making bigger videos, more videos. Got a couple people tagging along. Mr. Scott's bikes are down right now. We gotta get those fixed so you can go ride with us. Like and comment, maybe even a subscribe. That would be cool. I'm winking right now. You can't see it, but I'm winking. Totally cool. If you subscribe. I'll see you next time.